Hello guys, I'm Sri Karthik from Gossipfunda. In this video, I will show you how to do reverse search a song. First of all, we need to know what is reverse song search. For example, if you are watching social media, suddenly you are attracted by an unknown song. If you want to know about the song, this method will help you to find the song. There is two techniques to find out the song in mobile phone. The first technique is using third party app. Shazam is the best app to find out the song. Here's the demo video to operate it. Go to Play Store first. Search SHAZAM Shazam. Look, I have already downloaded this app, so let's go into the demo video. First open the app first and press this button to start.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret?
Here you can see I have searched the song is Till I Let Go song. Second technique is you can use Google to search song. Before you go into demo video, if you are not having voice search option in Google, this method won't work on your phone. To fix this, update Google in Play Store. First of all, go to the Play Store and search for Google. Here you can see I have not updated my latest version, so click update to update your latest version. First of all, go to the Google search bar and click search for a song.
Swear I won't forget this.
Here you can see the result has came that search the song in Till I Let Go. So that's it from me. Before you leave, please hit that like and subscribe button and comment if you have any queries. If you have more doubts like this, please check our official website. The link are given below in the description.